Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound yen, I still think this is likely the end of a wave 3. If it is the end of a wave 3, then this is likely in a corrective wave 4, which likely will take it down to at least a 50% level after making some sort of a three-way pattern before it potentially goes back up and makes that wave 5. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still would call this whole move down likely a wave A. Now, at some point, it probably is going to start a crescent to the upside for a wave B, but until it actually gives us a break on the sort of time frames, I'm still looking for sorts. I mean, there's nothing stopping this thing from continuing down. Eventually, I do think it is probably going to make a big move to the upside, which would be a wave B, which would be a crescent to the wave A, and eventually back down for a wave C. So let's take it down to a little bit of a sort of time frame, the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I've been saying for a while now that it looks like it could break structure, and it looks like it could start a pretty big move to the upside for a wave B. But it never has broken structure, and it continues to make lower lows, lower highs. So I just continue to look for sorts every single chance I get. We don't know that this is going to turn up, and actually, it kind of looks like an ABC correction. It looks like something that potentially might just keep on going down. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I've been sorting this thing like crazy. I've gone sort multiple times on this thing over the last week or two and been very, very, very profitable. I'm not trying to go long. I'm only looking for sorts. Right now, the structure level is way up here. So the only thing that would make me go long is seeing a break of structure, and then I would go long on the pullbacks after the break of structure. If I don't see that break of structure, then guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to go short every single time I see a three-way pullback on the sort of time frames for the continuation of the downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we do have CPI inflation data coming out today for the US, which definitely will affect the yen pairs because it's a risk on, risk off currency. Like I said, I have no desire to even look for longs. I've been shorting this thing every single chance I get and enjoying the profits along the way. And unless it goes all the way up and breaks structure, I'm going to continue to do so. I'm going to continue to look for one, two, three-way pullbacks to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. If and when it breaks structure, I'll be more than happy to start looking for longs. But until that happens, I am trading with the trend because the trend is your friend and you have a way higher probability of being a successful, profitable, consistent trader if you don't really worry about the tops and bottoms, but instead you just continue to trade with the trend every single chance you get. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.